Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna be doing another Will It Start.
Will it start?
Right here we have a 1973 K5 Blazer with the full removable top. Been sitting here for years. It's rough, but it's complete. We already started airing up a tire. Got the factory buckets, factory tilt wheel, all-time four-wheel drive. It'll be unique.
It's gross.
It's good for you. Stickiness. Well, guys, we're gonna pull it out of this spot. We're gonna get it back up to the house and see if she will start, because that's all thorns. We don't feel like fighting thorns.
No, thank you. Oh, sticky, icky steering wheel.
It's good for him, right?
Yeah, man. Builds character.
Give him a thumbs up and a subscribe for touching that sticky steering wheel.
I appreciate it, guys.
All these old BFG tires even took air. So we got it hooked to the trailer. We're going to yank it out of here so that way we can put it on forward.
This thing's sweet.
Yeah, I love that full removable top. Got it out. Brendan's inside again. Let me see if I can show you what's under the hood really quick. One-handed's kind of a little bit tricky. There we go. She is all original. Factory AC. It's even still got the factory points distributor. Tells you how original this old truck is. Be exciting to see if we can get her going. Stick with us. Well, guys, got it all loaded up in all of its glory. It's rough, but it is honestly 100% complete, and we are looking forward to messing with it. I mean, it's gonna need some rust repair, but the floors, Brendan, what do you think? Should we show them the floors, how nice they are?
Pretty good shape, honestly, all things considered.
I mean, for being a Kansas truck, that is really solid.
My Blazer had a lot less floor left in it. Back
I mean,
in the
yeah,
day.
some rockers, some quarter skins, but oh well. Get rid of that gooey steering wheel. Well, guys, we got it back. It's still on the trailer, but unfortunately the old motor, she stuck pretty good, which is really a shame, because like if you look right down in there, this motor didn't have a whole lot of mileage.
Pretty clean.
Really clean, unfortunately. But cylinder number 4, let's see here, that one right there somehow got full of some crap and turned out to look like that. That is not a good sign. So I soaked it down with some PB and some Croil. Might even dump a little diesel or transmission fluid in it, but usually the old PB and Croil will do the trick. So we're gonna let it soak, and it will be back. Until next time, don't forget to do a burnout.